Today I would like to introduce and demonstrate EXAIR's newest addition to the Static Eliminator product line, the patented model 8600 Varistat Benchtop Ionizer. The Varistat Benchtop Ionizer is a blower-style static eliminator designed to neutralize static charges hands-free and without the use of compressed air. The Varistat supplies a constant and adjustable stream of ion-balanced airflow to keep products static-free and particulate-free, all while being a hands-free operation. With a 7905 or comparable static meter, you can fine-tune your Varistat to eliminate any charge affecting your process. The Varistat Benchtop Ionizer comes with everything you need to get up and running. First will be the installation and maintenance guide to help you install and service the system once it's in place. Then you will have two power cables, one that plugs into a traditional wall outlet, and the other if you choose to wire the system directly to a power source. The Benchtop Ionizer can be powered by a 120 volt AC or a 240 volt AC source with a simple change of a voltage selector switch on the back of the product. Safely packed in foam supports is the Benchtop Ionizer itself. Once you remove the foam supports, you will notice it's already attached to the adjustable stand. This stand has 4 through holes with rubber grommets you can use to mount in place in your process. The adjustable stand, selectable voltage between 120 and 240 volt, and the easy adjustable variable speed and polarity, the Varistat Benchtop Ionizer is engineered to fit various industrial applications and unique processes. This static eliminator features ion-producing emitter points and two 30 ppi replaceable foam filters to ensure optimal performance over extended periods. These filters are easy to switch out if they become dirty or blocked. Just remove the plastic filter holder, take the old one out, put the new one in, and snap the filter holder back in place. Making sure these are clean is going to assure you have the full amount of air flowing through your Benchtop Ionizer. Also offering a built-in LED display with a green indicating light for proper function and a red indicating light if there was a problem. The Varistat is designed with important safety features, such as its current limiting circuit to protect against electrical hazards and operating well below OSHA standards for noise exposure. The Varistat Static Eliminator is a reliable and effective solution for reducing static charges on sensitive products and protecting against nuisance shocks, dust, debris, or any other pesky particulate. If you have any questions on the Varistat Benchtop Ionizer or have a static problem you'd like to discuss, give us a call or shoot us an email. We have a team of application engineers available Monday through Friday who are happy and willing to take your call. Thank you and have a great day.